Hello everyone, we are from group 21. So this is the steps. Wash rice thoroughly and then soak it in clean water for 3 until 6 hours. Then, boil brown sugar, ginger, white sugar, tamarind with water and stir it along the process. When it's boiling, add a pinch of salt and stir it thoroughly again. Then, wait until it's cooled down, then strain it. Strain the water from the rice you soaked earlier. Then, blend the rice, KENCUR, and the ingredients you boiled all together. After you blend it, strain the blended mixture. Then, Jamu BERAS KENCUR all ready to serve. That's all for the information about Jamu BERAS KENCUR and how to make it. Hope you guys enjoy our video. Thank you and stay healthy and happy.